Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn. Okay. Four of Wands, first card. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Capricorn, what's going on? I think under the deck, the World and the Hierophant, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Maybe you are waiting for reconciliation, you are waiting for commitment. And this could be long distance relationship, you both live in different cities, countries or states. But for some, there are some commitment issues between you and your person. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. So let's see the reading. Recent past, 4 of Wands, 5 of Wands and 7 of Swords. I think your person is sneaky. They played games with you. For some, they are a player in and out of your life. This is on and off connection. Yes, there is no equal give and take in this connection. Lot of drama is going between you and your person. For some, it could be twin flame connection also. Yes, in past, lot of issues between you and your person, lot of drama. I think definitely your person is sneaky, maybe they're hiding something from you. Then present 2 of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. I think you started focusing on your career, Queen of Pentacles. And juggling, 2 of Pentacles, you are juggling. You are very confused and you are juggling. You are unable to make any decision right now. And Ace of Swords, some truth coming out. And for some, you decided to cut off this person from your life. But there is some communication is coming with clarity. Yes, you are getting some communication, which is very, very important to you. And you are more focusing on your career, especially money making, creating more money. Then future 10 of Cups, 3 of Wands and 8 of Wands. There is lots of communication is coming. Maybe your person want to communicate with you, but you turn your back from your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And 10 of Cups. I think you want this happiness from this person, but it is not happening right now. Maybe you're still waiting for them because 3 of Wands is a waiting game. Maybe you turn your back from your person, but you're still waiting on them. And there is communication is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Lord of Fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, but very, very less water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Lord of Fire energy, guys. 4 of Pentacles under the deck. Maybe they are holding back right now. They are not expressing their feelings to you. So let's see their feelings. Capricorn, their feelings. I think for some your person is really manipulator or player type energy. Under the deck, the Empress. For some, you are a pregnant also, one person in this connection. And Page of Cups, the Magician and 9 of Pentacles. I think right now your person may be working towards their career and goals. Page of Cups, but they want to say apology. And Magician, for some definitely 7 of Swords with Magician, your person really toxic for you. Yeah, they still want to manifest you back, and they are very independent. They have no emotions. Maybe have emotions, but they know how to control. They are not dependent on anyone emotionally very easily. So let's see their intentions. We will get more clarity. Capricorn. Yes. 4 of Wands with 4 of Pentacles. I think again 4 of Wands. So now they want you back. They want to say apology to you. They hurt you, now they're wanting you back. Page of Wands, again communication. For some, you both have age differences between both of you. And 3 of Pentacles with Queen of Cups. Now they want reconciliation. They want to work on this relationship. Maybe they are very serious about this time, because they started recognizing feelings for you. Queen of Cups energy. They have strong emotions towards you. Capricorn. Yes, they want to text you. Definitely they keep tabs on you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And they want this happiness with you. If you are in separation with your person, they want reconciliation. If not, they want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think your person is very immature. Pages are always immature. For some, definitely children are also involved in this connection. Yes, they really want to work on this relationship. And Ace of Wands, they are very, very passionate about you. And 10 of Pentacles with King of Cups. Yes, they want to offer their cup of love to you and stability also. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. It's your reading and it's your card, Capricorn. I think you both are addicted to each other. Maybe you are obsessed with them a lot. And Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles, things are turning out into your favor, Capricorn. And King of Pentacles, you are getting financial stability and financial abundance. And this relationship also in near future getting stability. Yes, your person really want to take this relationship to next level. Yes, see, commitment. 6 of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this relationship. Now you both want equal give and take, and you both want marriage. Yes. 6 of Pentacles with the Hierophant. In past, no partnership, no collaboration between both of you, but you both want partnership and collaboration and equal give and take in this relationship. So the Hierophant. Yes, when there is equal give and take in any relationship, definitely that relationship is going to be next level. I think it is going to be, and your person realizing you both, they want to come back to you. And the person involved in this connection could be lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of earth energy, guys. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Capricorn. 2 cards. Step out of your comfort zone. Your commitment is being tested. Yeah, for some it is a testing time, either in your work area or in your relationship. You may be very honest, but it is a testing time for you. So don't worry, just be yourself and step out of your comfort zone. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, your goals, so this is the time you have to step out of your comfort zone and do hard work, especially consistently. So these are the messages for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.